Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclooctene is given, which is in the trans form. You got to find whether the transactine is chiral or not. Normal textbook fact is chiral molecule is with chiral carbon, which has 4 different attachments. But here it is different. The molecule has 2D chirality, meaning it has one chiral plane inside. Mirror image of those molecules don't overlap each other. It definitely behaves different optically. Here 4 carbon in one plane, another 4 carbon in another plane. So it creates 2D chirality. So the given compound is chiral. The concept you have to learn here is the molecule can be chiral even without the chiral center. Here chirality created by plane. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.